Hey, how's it going, y'all? I want to talk a little bit about this Gorilla cart and how it could be the best option for you if you're shopping for a garden cart. Now, this company, Gorilla, makes several different types of carts, and this one is going to be their 4 cubic foot poly garden dump cart with no flat tires. That's right, you never have to worry about pulling it out of the shed or garage with flat tires because it's designed with these 10-inch foam-filled tires. Now, I've never had a problem with this cart rolling over when I'm taking a tight turn because it has this wide wheelbase and this great zero-turn steering. This has also made it so much easier when I'm needing to get into those tight spaces in my yard. This Gorilla cart will carry up to 600 pounds of material, and as you can see, it has this easy grab and lift handle for dumping purposes. This makes it so much easier when moving mulch, dirt, trash, or even leaves. I don't have to worry about shoveling the dirt out or breaking my back trying to carry everything. I can simply just lift and dump. Now, there are several different types of carts offered by Gorilla, and if you're needing something to help you move a few bags of mulch from one end of your yard to the other, perhaps you pick up sticks in the front yard and you need to haul them to the trash can or transfer bags of leaves to the dumpster that you raked up, this cart is great for any light-duty type of work. Overall, just make sure that the cart you are purchasing will fit the type of work you need it for. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you found this review useful, hit the thumb below so that other people will know that it was helpful.